Hello everybody, welcome to my video. As you can see, I have a beige buggy. This is an old one that I have. I have some velcro stuff. Other half of velcro stuff. Random scissors I found. The remote. Let's get to this first dye video. Yes, I know this is strange for me doing a dye. Yeah, so the phone that I'm using to record this, I plan on sticking it onto this, and so then I can do stuff like stunt videos, like, going under the vehicles. And this is a safe video. See, I'm not gonna be able to see the camera, but before I put the video on YouTube, I'm gonna see like what's on it for safety precautions. Yeah. Velcro sticks. Like, it sticks onto the back right here. You just peel it off and put it on whatever you want. See, I don't know, like, this is for safety reasons, like I said. I don't know if, like, I would do it like that, because, see, that's a really good pose. See, then, yeah, I like it like that better. Oh, that's my dog. Say hi, Jazz. Say hi to the camera. So I'm just gonna set the camera down. First time working here with this stuff. Okay, this looks weird. I didn't really do it evenly. See, but I record videos much better like this, so like my thumbs, like, they just feel relaxed. Now to do it onto there, but with this stuff. See, I used one of these, so I thought it would be better on there. So now I'm gonna use one of these. Of course, I'm gonna have to cut it. I've always wanted to do something like this. Okay, I'm outside doing this. I don't really see how that would work. I was not preparing for stuff like this. See, I'm like, how would I do this? This is my first time working here with this stuff, everybody. Oh, it sticks really well. Oh, I think I get it. I mean, I'll have to fix this like in another video, maybe like do a two-parter. Yeah. See?
Picture of the roof, bro.
I'm doing a video.
Oh.
Cool.
I got the front side done.
Alright. Sorry for the interruption there, y'all. See, y'all, I know y'all can't hear me whenever I just have this all the way down because the speaker's on the back, so can't hear me for a moment. I don't quite see how this is working, guys, so, yeah, this is gone messed up very badly. Maybe like that. Oh, perfect! That is, like, perfect. Just for precautionary measures, gotta tighten that down. There we go. Let's see how sturdy this is. All in all, it's almost done. Yeah, I think that's about good. Let's go take this onto the driveway. Now I can. Whoa. Yeah, I most certainly need another one of those sticky things. Look, I've been trying to do this. It's not working well. Oh, I hope the video didn't stop. Still rolling? Still rolling. Guys, I'll be right back. Be right back. Guys, I'm back. Still rolling? Yeah. I'm back. I need to hurry this video up. More of these. Okay. So we gotta line this up. This looks a little more protective to stay. But this is my first time with sticky Velcro, so there we go. See, I've always wanted to do videos like this. Sturdy. Yeah, I liberated this thing. Now I can maybe start doing these type of videos. Let's start it. Is it solid? Yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh my gosh. Still rolling. Take number 3. Look guys, I'm trying. See, maybe rocky terrain isn't best for this thing. Hey, y'all can see the dog. That's nice. I'll still work on this. Like, it might take me a while. I'll do this like over a couple videos. I'm back through and yeah, that's in reverse. Awesome. I need to back it up because I'll do a part 2 of this. See, I've always wanted to do videos like this. But let's head back to the workshop. I call it the workshop. For safety reasons. Back at the shop. Yeah, but anyways, thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Sorry I haven't been uploading. I'm trying to upload. I just don't have enough time. So I might do a part 2 of this, and I'll start doing these type of videos for looking for stuff, like or maybe I wanted to do like a stunt, you know. It's a work in progress. How do y'all like that? Now I'm gonna start seeing more videos of that. Thumbs up this video for first dives. If you guys want me to continue these type of things, let me know. I'm going to start doing videos whenever I can. In the next video, I'll be calibrating this kind of stuff. You say that because I'll be testing it to see if it'll turn like this. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! That was a fail. Oh no! Okay, guys, that was not supposed to happen. That was not supposed to happen, guys. I wonder how the camera is. Is the phone fine? The camera fine? It's fine. Oh my gosh. It fell. Oh no, I think the fall broke this. Thank you all so much for watching though. I have to reset this back up. See, this is the kind of stuff I've been wanting to do. Wow, that shakes the whole phone. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, leave a thumbs up. Let me know if y'all want me to do more of these videos, and also I will be starting to